Hi guys, welcome back to Creative Kai. Today I'm going to show you how to grow some sprouts. They're delicious, they're nutritious, and they grow quickly. The easiest, cheapest garden growing without a garden. These two seeds are really easy to get and quick to grow. The first thing I'm going to show you is mung beans. These ones are alfalfa seeds. Soak overnight in a dark place. These sprouts are ready to eat. See how much they've grown only in 3 days. 3 days is perfect for mung beans, but alfalfa, you can leave it to grow a little bit longer. I'd like to put my sprouts in the sunshine just before eating. That way, it boosts the chlorophyll. Today, I'm going to add them to my salad. You can add them in a Subway, you can add them in sushi, which is on my other videos of how to do that. And let's start doing this. So tangled up together, but just have to spread it out a little bit. And add some crunch to your salad.